Bitcoin today is having an absolute party. The price has been soaring in the last couple of weeks from Bitcoin's low created 23rd of January. The price is up over 23%. But I know what you're wondering, like I've been wondering, and this is what I want to talk about in today's video. Can Bitcoin get above and hold above $50,000? Let's find out. Hit the like button, guys, and if you're new, welcome, subscribe, and let's get into this video. Bitcoin on the higher time frame. Let's start with that to give us some perspective. This is the 2-week chart. There is a major level. There's actually two major levels of resistance we need to be cautious of if Bitcoin is really going to break hard above 50,000, hold above 50,000, etc. Let's get this out of the way. It's important to note. We have a major resistance line going back from June 2019. Goes all the way through the last bull market. You can see a touch point here, and most recently a couple of weeks ago, well, 1st of January, start of year, we had this huge wick. This was the ETF approval wick. We came into that at 49k, and the price got rejected to the downside. Since, we've been rallying hard, but we're approaching this level again. So we really need to break and hold above 48, 49k, ideally 50,000 being that major psychological level before we can really get bullish. Obviously, very, very bullish. We're up, things are looking great, but there is some warning signs, and it's actually why in the low time frame, very locally, very short term, I'm actually shorting Bitcoin. I just opened a Bitcoin short, and before you go, how are you shorting Bitcoin right now? We're bullish. Well, it's a small trade. It's a small hedge. And it's actually one that I gave to the 𝗪𝗡 members community earlier today. And I believe that there's a high chance that this is going to come off profitable. If you want my real-time signals and trades, the link's in the video description. But let's talk about it for the sake of this video and beyond. Don't worry, it's not all bearish. There's actually some quite bullish things going on as well, which we're going to talk about. It depends on the time frame that you're trading. So let's look at the chart together. Bitcoin, in my opinion, this is the daily chart, back into the daily now. We need a hold above $47,000, and we're closing the weekly candle in just a couple of days. So if we can hold above 47,000, it's a really, really good thing for the Bitcoin price, and the price can continue on this lower time frame. In terms of daily charts, I mean, you could go into the lower time frames here and see where this line is. And by the way, there's another major level of resistance you need to be aware of. It's not just this. Let me show you that. I forgot before. This is probably even more important, and not a lot of people are talking about this, but it's the fib levels of the major high to the major low. Look where we're trading into, the golden pocket, the golden ratio, 48,650 to 50,890. So it's going to be a real struggle for Bitcoin to break and hold above that level. The Bitcoin dominance also broke its uptrend a few weeks ago. It has been rallying into it since, but we're approaching resistance once again. So not to be the bear of bad news or anything, but just be cautious longing Bitcoin. There's every chance we could storm above 50, hold above it, and great. All of that is invalidated, and we can go to all-time high prices very, very soon. But right now, as mentioned, I am shorting. If you want some trading bonuses, whether you want to go long or short, links in the video description for Bybit, where you can get up to $30,000 in bonuses, 0 fees on trading, free VIP signals of mine, and 50% off 𝗏𝗏𝗏 AI, our AI crypto trading bot. Also, guys, all the links in the video description below for the Discord community and other videos that you may be interested in. So let me know in the comments, do you believe that we are going to break above 50,000 and hold above it? Or do you expect that to happen later after the Bitcoin halving, maybe going into the summer? Let me know in the comments. See you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.